Okay, well we've unattached the whole plastic or tarp or whatever it is. So now we're gonna go about removing it. Let me get these out of the way. Oh dear. Okay, so I think the best way to do this is to see what you see. You're looking the wrong direction, aren't you? Okay, so let's attach. I'll take one strap. You can have the other, and I think we should attach them to the bottom corners if we can.
Pull it that way?
I'm going to pull it that way.
Yeah. I need to find a hole, I guess.
The very bottom corner?
Mm-hmm.
Does it have a hole in that?
No. I have to grab a knife now, I guess. Oh, you're back.
Come on, Lynn, help me. Well, you can just hold the corner if you want.
Well, it probably requires a fair amount of force, so...
Yeah, well then you holding the corner is probably the best.
No, it's the rope thrower.
Except that the hole is probably going to hook through. My hole will.
Really?
I think so.
Well, if it's through, then you can still pull for it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Look at that, it's off.
Look.
Wow. It's pretty cool. What was that?
The wind blowing the
Up at the top.
around.
Okay, so we need to walk this away. We need this to. We need it to go to the pond.
To the pond.
So if you could walk this over those posts. See the posts that are going to be in the way? If you could walk around this way with it.
Wait.
It's over the posts, I think. There's also a post under here somewhere. Okay, you pull and I'll hold it up. I got the easy end. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I have to protect the daffodils. Okay, can you move those two things? Should go toward the veranda. Okay, I'm just going to stand here. But you're going to get to this post and have a hard time going around it. Take those poles out of the ground. They're sticking in the hole there. Just drop them down and just head toward the new deck. Okay, I'm going to get this other corner here just a minute. Yeah, okay. Oh, I see. It's another part. Just a minute. Okay. Just a second. Is something else there from another tarp? Okay, there you go. We have to move that chair. Got one more daffodil to go past and then I can pull from the front. Okay, just a minute. I'm gonna maybe I'll move this to the other side first. Okay. Would you like me to turn the car around and you can just sit in the car and we'll pull it down the hill?
You'll just attach to the hitch?
Yeah, tie it to the hitch. Let me go get my keys.